Hi, students. It's Mrs. Nielsen. And right now I want to show our third graders for Mrs. Tejeda, Mrs. Garvey, and Mrs. Murphy how to get into your Google Classrooms. So, you know this page right here. This is when you sign in. Actually, Mrs. Nielsen needs to sign out of this one and into a different one. There we go. Now I'm in my CPS one. So when you get your computers and you open them up, and you click on the Chrome right down here at the bottom, this is the page that comes up. Now, right here is a little, sometimes it looks like a circle, and then it's got the little squares. I call it an Eggo waffle. So when I click on that little cluster of squares, I get all the things that I can do with Google. So there's a lot of things that I can do with Google, but I'm not concerned about those. Though the only one I want to do right now is this one called Classroom. Do you see it? Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Once I click on that, now it's going to open up. Now, look, I've got lots of classrooms. I don't have a classroom for you yet. You're going to talk to your teachers about whether or not I'm going to do a classroom for you. But I have these other ones here. So now how do you join a classroom? Well, you see this little button up here. It says create or join a class. It's to the right of the screen. You're going to click on that. And you have two options, join class or create class. You're going to join Mrs. Tejeda's, Miss Murphy, or Miss Garvey's class. So you're going to press join class. Now, when you do that, your teacher is going to give you a class code, and you're going to put those numbers and letters exactly as she sends it to you right there. And then you're going to press join. Okay? I don't have your class code right now, so I can't do it for you. But let me show you some of my other ones. So say I'll show you. We'll do the closest guys I have to you, I guess, are my fourth grade, but not too many people have signed up. So here's what a fourth grade classroom is going to look like. Okay. They're going to send you a code. This is for my fourth graders, but your teachers will have your own codes. Okay. But when you open up, it'll look like this. And there'll be some places where your teacher might put announcements. That's called the stream. Then there's classwork, where your teacher will put in assignments for you. You can see the people in your class, and you can see the grades that your teacher gives you there. Okay, so that is our introduction to Google Classroom. And here, if you notice, so I'm in Mrs. Cruz's fourth grade classroom right here. If I go to this and click on those three bars, you'll see all my different classrooms. So I've got a lot of classes. We're going to just go back up to the main page, okay? So again, you're going to open up to Chrome. I'm going to try it one more time. Chrome. Whoops. We needed to click out of that. Chrome. Make sure you're in your CPS account. It won't work unless you're in your CPS account. Waffle. Classroom. And then the plus to join the code that you get from your teachers. You're joining that class, and she will give you the code. Okay? Anybody have any questions? Just shoot Mrs. Nielsen a text, mmnielsen@cps.edu, or you can text, or you can get a hold of Mrs. Tejeda, Mrs. Murphy, or Mrs. Garvey. Okay? I hope this works for you. Hope to see you soon.